Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will unbox review special Android head units for Hyundai Sonata 2018 to 2019 years. Okay, here is box. Let me do unbox review. Okay, open the box. You can check head units with good condition. Okay. This is head units, 9-inch RPS touchscreen. Okay, let me introduce harness it first. Okay, you can check this special harness for Hyundai Sonata. Let me check. This connect to our head unit, this power cable. Okay, this camera or this plug connector. Okay, this connector. Okay, and this is AUX input left and right, AUX input left and right. Okay. This AUX left and right input. Okay. This is camera input. This camera input, and this video input. Okay. And this Y for K1 for steering wheel control. Steering wheel control decoded by CAN bus. This is CAN bus box. Okay. This comes with GPS antenna, external microphone, and 2 USB cable. This microphone, external microphone. Okay. And this radio antenna. Okay. And this original USB. USB cable, original USB. Okay, this is camera input. This connect back head unit, and this AUX wire cable is AUX input, left and right. Okay, this video input, video in. Okay. This is audio cable. This is subwoofer, and this wire is video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, this is AUX out left and right, rear and front. Okay, this audio cable. This connector back of head unit. Okay. Okay, this is driving agent. Okay, you can check this 9-inch RPS touchscreen special for Hyundai Sonata head units. You can check this two SD card slot. Okay, you can check this side and this side. And this kit 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me check the back. This is GPS antenna, this power cable, this fuse, and this radio port, and Wi-Fi antenna, this connector. Okay. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Okay, the head unit will be start. Okay. Okay. Please take care of this spray protector before using. Okay, this started. You can check. There are microphone reset hole. This is home button, back button, volume button. This works. Okay. Very fast response. Okay, let me check. This is for mirror link. It supports Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. It's built in Google Play Store and Google Maps. Okay. This brightness. Okay. Let me check the setting. You also can find the setting in here. It's built-in Wi-Fi. And the system, you can change language by here. All languages you can add a language. Okay. And let me check car setting. This elements you can change this button color. It's green, blue, orange, and any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, choose red. And this steering wheel control, it will working by compass. This amplifier. Okay. And navigation. You can choose the navigation sound mixing. You can set in here. Okay. And the extra setting, you can set the shutdown delay on SC off. You can set 1 hour. If you back in car, it starts just 1 second. If you set the 1 hour. Let me set the 5 minutes. Okay, it's play autoplay music. This is reserve camera. It's also you can set in here. It supports parking radar system, original parking radar system. Okay, and this is extra setting. This factory setting. Okay, this is car setting. Let me check the system. About motion, you can check model is PX5 octa-core. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, this is Oreo system. Okay, let me back to home. Okay, that's all. Thank you.